Did you know that archaeologists found proof that the Bible got crucifixion exactly right? In 1968, scientists made an incredible discovery in Jerusalem. They found the heel bone of a man named Yehohanan with a 4.5-inch iron nail still stuck through it. This was the first real evidence that Romans nailed people to crosses through their feet, not just tied them with ropes like many thought. But here's what's amazing. The victim's shin bones were broken, just like the Bible says happened to the thieves next to Jesus. The Gospel tells us Jesus' legs weren't broken because he was already dead. The nail in Yehohanan's heel had a bent tip that got stuck, so they had to bury him with the nail still attached. This discovery revealed the horrible truth about crucifixion. Victims could survive for days by pushing up on their nailed feet to breathe. When they got too weak to lift themselves, they died from not being able to breathe. Every detail matches exactly what the Gospels recorded 2,000 years ago.